Tell us a little bit about what is taught in a master's program in ocean engineering, and how is it different from civil engineering, let us say.
The natural environment, I think that makes the difference. For example, if you are a civil engineer, probably you'll be good in constructing infrastructure. It could be even a major infrastructure on the land topographic part. But when it comes to ocean, there are a lot of dynamics that is not being taught in the undergrads. Okay, for example, civil engineering. We strongly believe that there are some specialized courses that will allow and pave way for you to understand the dynamics of the ocean first in place, and then probably you'll start designing the infrastructure later on. So I'm speaking only from the engineering perspective. There are a lot of amount of science as well, again, equal counterpart on the other side, similar to your biology and chemistry and physics. We have equal verbatim in our ocean environment as well. Oceanography, physical oceanography, chemical oceanography, biological oceanography, and these are very specific subjects because there are again the dynamics controls. Their ecosystem is also going to be different. So this is the reason why we strongly believe that there must be some basic fundamental undergraduations, like it could be anything. It could be civil engineering. Sometimes people prefer to take the mechanical engineering at their undergraduate, and then they went on to do offshore engineering in the subsequent stages, master's programs and so on. Or even it could be electrical engineer, and then they went on to do underwater autonomous systems, robotics and things like that. In my opinion, I think it may be okay to begin with the master's levels where one would like to specialize in the subject of their expertise and so on. And I strongly believe that ocean engineering is the best, probably the master's program that accepts almost all the bachelor's discipline. There are some programs, again, in IIT Madras, I understand that they even accept masters with mechanical engineering background for their master's program.
Sure.
And bachelors with mechanical engineering, and then they can also do master's program and so on. And same is the case with even B.Tech with naval architecture. They can probably do masters in ocean engineering and so on. At the master's level in the M.Tech ocean engineering program, if you speak from IIT Bombay perspective, we allow the students to understand the ocean environment first. That's the basic program. What are waves and how they are actually different from the conventional forces that they study in the land-based structures, and what are tides, what are the consequences of the water level being increasing and decreasing due to the astronomical information, what are cyclones, storms, even tsunamis, and all of this, unless they understand clearly, they will not be able to do a good engineering out there in practice. So that's the idea. So we expose them in the beginning, and then we slowly use the civil engineering or mechanical engineering background to build their actually engineering point of view, and how to build a port, how to build an offshore structure, how to build even a subsea pipeline, all of this in a complex structure. Then we started teaching them in the later stage, subsequent later stage. That's how we do.